question 7, another estimating question. So round each number to one significant figure. So I've got 30 times 0.5 divided by 3. Always write this down. You'll get a mark just for writing that down. So there's 2 marks here. You've already got 1 mark for showing each number rounded to one significant figure. Now 30 times a half, well that's 15. Half of 30 is 15. Divided by 3 is 5. So a good estimate is 5, and the symbol for estimating is this. Question 8, lowest common multiple. So the quickest way to find the lowest common multiple, which is the smallest number that 60 and 72 will divide into exactly, I could write out my multiples of 60 and my multiples of 72 and see where the first common multiple is. However, because these numbers are so big, it'll be much quicker for me to do the prime factors and a Venn diagram. So 60, I'm just going to get it into its prime factors. Okay. And then 72, I'm going to put that into its prime factors. And as long as there are different ways of going about this, however, your end answers will be the same. So I stop when I get prime numbers, so I'm just going to circle the ends. These are all prime numbers, numbers that have exactly 2 factors only. So 60 is 2 times 2 times 3 times 5, and 72 is 2 times 2, and then another 2 and 3 and 3. Just check that. 1, 2, 3. 1, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 5 factors for 72. And 4 factors for 60. Okay, now if I was to put this into a Venn diagram, which I'm going to do at the top here, I'm going to look at all my factors of 60 in this circle and all my factors of 72 in this circle. I have in both of these numbers, I have 2, another 2, and a 3. Those are the common factors. The common factors go in the middle. Then I have left, for 60 I have 5, and for 72 I have 2 and 3. This is a 3 here. So the highest common factor, sometimes you'll be asked to find the highest common factor. The highest common factor is the numbers in the middle times together. So it's the numbers that are in both, the factors that are in both 60 and 72. So that would give me 12. The highest common factor is 12. That's the biggest number that will go into 60 and 72. You are often asked that question. However, here you're asked to find the lowest common multiple. Right, the lowest common multiple is you times all the factors together that you've got here. So I've got 12 in the middle, 5 times 2 times 3. Well, 5 times 2 is 10 times by 3. So I've got 120 times 3. So I've got 360 as my LCM. And we have the last question, B. Find the highest common factor of A and B. So I am going to draw my Venn diagram nice and big, and I want to look at what's common in A and B. So this is A and this is B. Well, I've got 2 2s in both of them, and I've got 2 3s in both of them, and I've got a 7 in both of them. If I was doing my lowest common multiple, I would also have a 2 here and a 2 here, and I'd have 2 7s here. Okay, so the highest common factor is I multiply all the numbers in the centre. So the highest common factor is 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 7, which is 252. That's my highest common factor.